Would you like to minimise the inheritance tax due on your estate when you die? One way is to make charitable gifts in your will. Charitable gifts can reduce the inheritance tax rate on your death from 40% to 36%. What's more, the gifts themselves, if made to qualifying charities, are exempt from inheritance tax, regardless of the value of the gift. So if you decide to leave £100,000 to a charity close to your heart, that £100,000 will be considered outside of the value of your estate when inheritance tax is calculated. Inheritance tax is usually charged at 40%, and to take advantage of the lower rate of 36%, you must leave at least 10% of your net estate to a qualifying charity. This is known as the baseline amount. In simple terms, the baseline amount is the entire estate in your sole name. So this doesn't include assets held in trust or joint assets that pass by survivorship. It also excludes debts, funeral expenses, and any inheritance tax exemptions or tax reliefs, including the nil rate band, the residence nil rate band, and any other tax reliefs that apply. So let's look at an example. Suzanne dies with assets worth £700,000, all in her sole name, and she decides to leave £40,000 to charity in her will, with the balance passing to her niece Sarah. Suzanne's debts and funeral expenses are £15,000. She made no gifts during her lifetime, therefore her full nil rate band of £325,000 is available. The baseline amount is calculated as £700,000 minus £15,000 funeral expenses minus her nil rate band, which equals £360,000. As the gift of £40,000 to charity is more than 10% of the baseline amount of £360,000, the lower inheritance tax rate of 36% will apply to the taxable part of her estate. As the £40,000 gift is not subject to inheritance tax, this will be deducted from the baseline amount to calculate the value of the estate that is subject to inheritance tax at 36%, i.e. £360,000 less £40,000 is £320,000. The total inheritance tax liability will be £115,200. So that's £320,000 multiplied by 36%, leaving almost £530,000 for Sarah. Had Suzanne decided to leave a smaller gift to charity, say £35,000, the inheritance tax liability would be £130,000, leaving £520,000 for Sarah, which means both Sarah and the charity would receive less, to the advantage of HMRC. Where the gift to charity falls short of the 10% of the baseline amount, it may be possible for a deceased person, the person's beneficiary, to increase the gift to charity so that the lower inheritance tax rate of 36% applies to the rest or the balance of the estate. Check out my video on how to vary a will for more information on that. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. I'm Justin King. I'm a chartered and certified financial planner. My aim is to help people live successful lives, and that often involves understanding money. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the like button to help more people like you find my channel, and subscribe, of course, so you can be notified of any new videos I put out. So for now, I'm Justin King, helping you live your best life.